Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solutions of x. So now I will show you how to answer. We can put about 8 equals to x and b equals to this one. Now we have this equation. So this one we change by 8. This one we change by b and b. Next, we have the second one. So when I will put about the power 3 like this, we have x to the power of 3 plus 35 minus x to the power of 3. This one cancel this one and we have 35. And we know that this one we change by 8. And this one we change by b. So if we simplify, we have the second equation. And now we can create the system of equations. Next, this one that is about identity. So I will use this one divide by this one. So AB in this situation, they cannot equal to number 0, because if they equal to number 0, this one you got 0 and 0 in here. So that's why AB cannot equal to number 0. So when we divide, you got like this. Next, we simplified a plus b on numerator and denominator. Next, a square ab and b squared divided by ab. So we have 8 over b minus number 1 plus b over 8. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left, go to the right. And this one we have 13 over 6. Now I can put the small t in here equals to AB. So this one that is about t. This one that is about 1 over t equals to 13 over 6. Now we need to multiply t for the both sides. And now we can find the solution of this one. So we can find the value of t. So we have two solutions, t equals to 2 over 3 and t equals to 3 over 2. Now, about this one, we know that t that is about a over b. So we have 3a equals to 2b. Or we can put into 3a over 2 equals to b. Now I will select about this one. So I will put this one goal here and here. Now we simplify this one. Sorry, this one is complex, so I will choose about this one. So I will put this one goal here. And now we simplify. Oh, sorry. Put this one in here. So we simplify and we can find the value of a. So we have 35 a to the power of 3 over number 8. So a to the power of 3 equals to number 8. So a equals to number 2. That means we can find the value of b equals to number 3. And now 8, that is about s. B, that is about this one. So when we put number 2 cone here, you got number 3. So we accept about s equal to number 2. Now let's go to the second one. So we do the same technique. So we put this one into 2a over 3 equals to 35. So we simplify this one. And we have 35 a to the power of 3 over 27. So we have a to the power of 3 equals to number 27. So a equals to number 3. And we can find the value of b equals to number 2. So this one we do the same. And we still accept about this one. So we have two solutions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.